jerk wings, authentic Jamaican style. So first I remove this that they call the tip, and then I remove any hanging fats or anything like this. Now this piece right here, I am removing it as well. And this is based on choices. So this is all I want it to be. So I wash the wings with vinegar and water and then drain. And now I am using a piece of paper towel to pat dry each wing, because I do not like to season the meat, the wings, meat, anything with water settled at the bottom of the container. No water should be in the container. So this is something that I likes to do. As you can see, no water, right? So this is exactly how I like it. So now I am gonna season the wings by adding spices. Okay, so I am using a few pimento seeds called allspice, probably in your country. Salt, black pepper, chicken seasoning, all purpose. And of course I can combine all the spices into a container and then use it to season the wings, but me can't bother, so me just put them one. This is some Laurie's seasoned salt, no MSG, and of course Badia complete season, as well as paprika, and this is ginger, this is a little bit of grated nutmeg, not a lot, but I'm using a little bit of cinnamon. About 2 teaspoons of homemade organic chili powder. slices of hot pepper, seeds removed, because I'm already using the homemade chili powder that is kind of sort of hot, as I mentioned before. And the homemade chili powder is made with 100% bird peppers. That is really hard to source at this time in Jamaica, but it is organic and I'm proud of my product. It so hit the market, by the way. I'll tell you more about that. Yes. And I also have few slices of onion that I roughly chop, 2 cloves garlic roughly chop, and 1 stalk scallion roughly chop. So I am gonna add everything to the wings, and I am also using piece of fresh thyme. Now we have to cover this and put it in the fridge for to marinate for about 5 hours or so. So I'm grilling, or jerking I should say. I am jerking the wings on a coal stove. So I put a grill over the coal stove that I greased with a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm not sure why I'm doing it, by the way, because it don't really work that well. The chicken sometimes still sticks to the grill, but I just grease it same way. So I'm gonna allow it to heat up a bit before I place the wing on top of the grill. And I am using just a small amount of charcoals that were made from the pimento wood. So now that the grill is all heat up, I am going to place some of the wings onto the grill. So I'm just gonna keep turning them back and forth like every 5 minutes or so until the blood stop running, until the juice run clear.